Francis Seller Collins is an American physician geneticist who discovered the genes associated with a number of diseases and led the Human Genome Project. He is the former director of the National Institute of Health in Maryland from 17th August 2009 to 19 December 2021, serving under three presidents and for over 13 years. He oversaw the work of the largest supporter of biomedical research in the world, from basic to clinical research. Dr. Collins is a physician geneticist noted for his landmark discoveries of disease genes and his leadership of the International Human Genome Project, which culminated in April 2003 with the completion of a finished sequence of the Human DNA Instruction Book. He served as director of the National Human Genome Research Institute at the NIH from 1993 to 2008. Dr. Collins' research laboratory has discovered a number of important genes, including those responsible for cystic fibrosis, neurofibromatosis, Huntington disease, a familial endocrine cancer syndrome, and most recently, genes for type 2 diabetes and the gene that causes Hutchinson-Gilford progeria syndrome, a rare condition that causes premature aging. Dr. Collins' laboratory seeks to identify and understand the function of genes involved in a range of human diseases, both rare and common, with the ultimate goal of identifying new therapeutic opportunities. One of the lab's significant projects focuses on Hutchinson-Gilford progeria syndrome (HGPS), a rare genetic disorder characterized by premature aging. HGPS patients typically die from cardiovascular complications in their teens, and Dr. Collins' group discovered that a point mutation in the lamin A gene activates a cryptic splice donor, resulting in shortening of the normal version of the encoded protein by 50 amino acids near the C terminus. This protein has been named progerin. Cellular biological analysis implicates progerin in disrupting the normal process of mitosis. Investigation of normal human fibroblast has demonstrated small amount of progerin are present in normal cell population and increase in quantity as cell approaches senescence. The shift in the LMNA splicing pattern to produce progerin is apparently triggered by shortened telomeres, and thus the study of this rare disease potentially gives valuable insight into the process of normal aging. The other major project in the Collins laboratory is the complex, common, non-Mendelian condition known as type 2 diabetes or T2D. Dr. Collins and his collaborators are studying over 30,000 individuals to identify susceptibility factors for T2D, characterizing the entire repertoire of human functional genomic elements in islets, muscle, and adipose should provide critical insight into the molecular mechanisms involved in diabetes susceptibility. Some of his major works are The Language of Life, which is about DNA and the revolution in personalized medicine, The Language of Science and Faith, and Principles of Medical Genetics. While leading the National Human Genome Research Institute, Collins was elected to the Institute of Medicine and the National Academy of Sciences. He was awarded the Canada Gairdner International Award in 1990. He was a Kilby International Awards recipient in 1993. Collins received the Golden Plate Award of the American Academy of Achievement in 1994. He received the Biotechnology Heritage Award from the Biotechnology Industry Organization and the Chemical Heritage Foundation. In 2005, Collins received the William Allen Award from the American Society of Human Genetics. In 2007, he was presented with the Presidential Medal of Freedom by President George W. Bush. In 2008, Collins and Steven Weinberg, a Nobel Prize recipient for physics, shared the Trotter Prize and discussed the interplay between science and religion. Collins received the Albany Medical Center Prize in 2010 and Pro Bono Humanum Award of the Galien Foundation in 2012. The Federation of American Society for Experimental Biology Public Research Award in 2017, the Pontifical Key Scientific Award in 2018, and the Warren Alpert Foundation Prize in 2018. In 2020, he received the Templeton Prize and was elected a foreign member of the Royal Society. And that was all about Francis Collins, the greatest contributor in genetics. Thank you. Have a nice day.